had them all. There we go. And what are those called? Do you remember what they're called?
Warm-ups?
Our warm-ups. Yes, so stand up, boys and girls. Now, I need you to go get one friend who came to see you and bring them back to the stage because they need to warm up with us, right? So go ahead, Miss Autumn, can you go get a friend who came to see you?
Yes. David, this is shorter way.
Where's she going?
What are you getting? You getting me? Yeah. Okay.
Carson, mom's coming this way.
His sweater, bring it. Go get Papa.
All right.
Go get Papa.
So first, we are going to warm up our bodies. Okay, with a little game we like to call shakeout. So can you raise your right hand? We are loose in terms of right and left hands, parents. Just so you know. So raise a hand, and we're going to shake it out 8 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do this at your seats. And we're going to switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And our right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And our left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And our whole body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're going to go to 6. Ready? Now, you've done this before, so you should be doing better with your parents, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we go to 4. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's next? 2. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now,
0.
this is where I always win. We're going to 1.
You ready?
You have to beat the tall person. Can you do it? Ready? And, oh, Claire's ready. Ready? And 1. See how fast they are? They're good. Ready?